we are over here at Tyrant CNC's booth. We're gonna talk to you about something that I've been super excited for because I've been snooping on this thing for a while. They just brought it out, and when it hit market, it was gone instantaneously because everybody wanted to get a hold of one of these things. So Cory here is gonna tell you a little bit about this. Go for it, man.
Yeah, so this is the TWS 365, which is a chassis that converts your P365 into a personal defense weapon. So simply swap over your FCU, your slide, your barrel, and you have this like modular personal defense weapon. The first thing that people notice when they look at the TWS is this side folding spring actuated brace. So right back here, I'm gonna actuate this little paddle button here. Swings open,
awesome.
Locks in. A couple different ways that you can actuate it with your thumb, top of your hand. We just wanted to give the operator a bunch of different ways to utilize it to whatever feels most comfortable for them. So as I go down the line here, we also have a removable magazine holder. Our magazine holder, as well as the mag and battery, they take X macro pattern magazines, so you can run 25 rounders and have up to 50 plus 1 total rounds on the system. So.
Heck yeah.
And last but not least, we do have a removable open top blast shield. And what's cool about this is it allows the user to use any type of P365 slide, barrel length. You can run comped, you can run suppressed. So really, there's a wide range of different uses and configurations that the operator can set up to whatever the mission is for them.
Now you guys make a badass trigger for this gun. Does that trigger work with this system? Your trigger?
Yeah, so any of our extended controls or any of our upgrade components for the 365 will be compatible and be able to use on the TWS. Yeah, our trigger, which is the IntelliFire trigger.
Yeah, it's awesome.
We're the only company to have a patented trigger with a safety blade for the 365. And it does reduce the free travel take up by 30%. So it is a noticeable difference.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So.
Cool. It's awesome that it works with that. So big advantages to something like this is you still get that cool compactness of having that pistol, but then you can deploy it, and then you've got the more control of having that PDW kind of system built into it.
Yeah, 3 points of contact, you can come in.
Yeah. Super cool, but it still is light. It's like nice and compact. It's very nimble. And the fact that you've got 2 mags there, I mean, you've got capacity in better states than Illinois, right? To have in your firearm, but at least we're doubling what we got in Illinois in something like this. What kind of materials are these things made out of?
So we went with 2 different materials, and why we did that is we wanted it to be strong, but also lightweight. So we use metal to house any type of critical components, to make it, truly hard use. And then for the weight savings, we did polymer everywhere else.
Yeah, absolutely. Super small, compact. Imagine having this like in your concealed carry, like sling bag, small, short sling bag, and being able to instantly deploy this. You can still shoot it just like this, which is super cool. And then you can instantly, by pressing this button, deploy that out.
What happened?
And you instantly got that up.
Yeah, I don't know how it happened.
Super fast, super deployable. Mag changes are cool, right? You can even come back. So super easy and slick. Love it. Cool. I'm super excited. I know one of these days we'll get one to test.
Soon, I swear. Soon, I swear.
Cool, Cory. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
If you guys want to check out Tyrant CNC, these things are going fast, so you got to get them while they're out, if they're out again, because they're gone as soon as I've seen them come out. So good luck. Sweet, man. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thanks, Cory. Absolutely.